In this tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect a page in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website that contains the page you want to protect. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Pages tab and select the page you want to password protect. Open the page settings and find the visibility option. Choose Site Password, then enter the password you want visitors to use to access the page. Keep in mind that password protected pages require a paid Weebly plan. If you are using a free plan, you'll need to upgrade before this option is available. After entering your password, save the page settings and click Publish to make the changes live. Open the protected page in a private or incognito browser window to make sure the password prompt appears and the page is secured. That's how to password protect a page in Weebly. Thanks for watching.